Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do, oh my camera's gonna die. Today I want to talk to you guys about a horror story eyelash experience that I had. I'm actually going for my eyelash certification this weekend, so making this video and like looking back at the first time I got eyelash extensions to now and how much I've learned already by eyelash extensions and everything I'm going to learn this weekend and how I'm going to go into a business. Looking back at this horror story of a video, I can't believe that this happened. Let's get into the video, but first I want to show you guys a clip from when I got my eyelash extensions. My husband actually came with me and I was bawling my eyes out afterwards and I was really mad, so yeah, take a look into this little video.
Warning for all you girls who get eyelash extensions, be careful and go. Do not go to some stupid nail place.
First time I got eyelash extensions, I saw all my friends getting them done and I didn't really have the money at the time to do them because eyelash extensions are very expensive, especially when you get fills done. It's about $100 to even just get them filled every 3 weeks, so it adds up. So I didn't really have that much money back then, so I ended up going to a nail salon. I'm not gonna tell you guys which one I went to, but this nail salon said on the sign that they did eyelash extensions, and it was pretty good price. So I was like, okay, let's try it out. I've never had them before. Let's do it. So I went into this nail salon, and going into where they do the eyelash extensions, it was the smallest room that I've ever seen. And it just didn't even look sanitary. I was like, I should have left then, but I didn't. I just was like, okay, they're obviously certified and whatnot. Oh, so I lay down and she starts doing my lashes, starts brushing them out and whatnot, and I smell something that was so potent and it kind of like even burned my nose when I smelt it, and it must have been the glue. When she put the lashes on, I smelt the glue, and instantly when that eyelash touched my real eyelash, I felt like there was acid burning into my eye. Like it was excruciating. Like I could not even deal with it. I was like 5 minutes in and I was like crying. Like I had tears coming down my face and it just was not a pretty sight at all, and it was not fun. I didn't know. I thought that was like part of the process, like it burning and whatnot, so I just kind of stuck with it. And this lady probably took, how long? A full set of eyelashes usually takes, like, it depends on the person, it usually takes 2 to 3 hours for good lashes, and she literally took half an hour. Like 25 minutes, half an hour. They pass you a mirror so you can check it out, and I looked and I was like, no. I was so upset. So I paid and I left because I'm a nice person. Like I'm not one to complain. So I just left and I'm like, okay, like I'll just have them for this time and whatnot. But as me and Ryan, we were walking around the mall doing our shopping, and I get in the truck and all of a sudden he's like, you have an eyelash on your face. I'm like, okay, so I wipe it off. And then as the day goes on, they were literally falling out of my eyes as I was going, like on with my day. They were just falling out, and I was so upset that I was like pulling them out when you're not supposed to do that. But they were like, honestly, like I had gaps in there, and it was just, here, I'll show you another video.
I'm going back to get these removed because I just pulled a chunk out and I'm gonna cry some more.
Anyways, I had like gaps, as you could see in that video, and it was just, honestly, I was crying after that video and I was just in tears, and I had no eyelashes left. Like my eyelashes, like that glue basically burned my eyelashes off. And so we went back to that place, and Ryan's like, you need to say something, you need to complain. So we ended up going back, and she was like, oh, like I'll try to remove them for you, no problem, free of charge. They're actually really sweet. So I laid on the bed, and they actually were removing the ones that they could because I got them done that day. So she's like, you have to come back in like 2 weeks to get the rest removed. And I'm like, I have like eyelashes here and no eyelashes here. Like I was so upset. I looked so funny. So I ended up getting a refund. Well, they actually didn't give me a refund. They gave me a gift certificate, which I would never use. I was never going to go back there. No way. But yeah, they gave me a gift certificate and they sent me along, and I never went back there even to get the rest removed, because even the removal was not a fun experience. So yeah. Anyway, so that is my horror story. My advice to you guys, when you get eyelash extensions, don't be afraid to get them. If you hear stories like this, because this does happen a lot, but just do your research, see what the lash tech does, like if you like their work, because a lot of places do lashes differently, and I feel like lashes are such a delicate thing. Oh, what's the matter? Such a delicate thing to do, because it's your eyes. Like, you don't want to risk, you know, that, like what happened to me happened to you. So my advice is spend the money. It's worth it to get it done properly, and do your research, because if you don't, you'll end up with no eyelashes and you'll have damaged eyelashes for a very long time. What's the matter? What's the matter? Do you want lash extensions? No, I want you to be all natural. Yes, I do. All natural. Like I said, I'm getting certified to be an eyelash tech, so if you guys have any other questions or comments about this video, or even share your own horror stories about eyelashes, I would love to hear them, because looking back, I think it's a little funny, but because they do grow back. But yeah, so let me know your guys' stories, and yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Can you say bye? Say I'm the next YouTube star with mommy. Anyways, thanks for watching.